If you're trying to grow your business while, working full time or just being extremely busy and you're not scheduling your post at least 3 weeks ahead, you're setting yourself up to fail. Now, here's the hard truth. Posting on the fly leads to inconsistency, missed opportunities, and burnout. You'll quit before you grow. And this is what I really want to talk to you about today. You busy entrepreneurs, people like me that are working a full-time job and still have to produce content and post. Planning is so essential in all of this. So let's break this down for you here. So planning, you want to focus on essential elements of your posting plan. Number one, a content calendar helps you stay organized and consistent. I can't tell you how valuable having a content calendar is for me. Number two, identify your target audience to tailor your post effectively, right? Use performance metrics to measure success and adjust strategies. You've got to be looking at all of these, and you want to make sure that your post have a mission. Like, what's the purpose of the post? What's the outcome of the post you want to happen? What is going to happen after you hit post? This is really important. Now, batch producing. This is a game saver for me because you can maximize your efficiency with effective content strategies. Number one, you manage your time better by scheduling posts in advance. All this means is you need to slow it down a bit. Instead of waking up in the morning and trying to figure out what you're going to post, you need to schedule these posts and plan them out a lot better. Number two, create an efficient workflow that saves you valuable hours. Again, if you're waking up in the morning and you're just starting to plan out what you're going to do for the day, you're already behind the 8 ball. Now, number three, enjoy a variety of content to engage your audience effectively. You need to be teaching, you need to be inspiring, educating, maybe a little bit of humor in there. But the main thing is to have a point and a goal for each post that you're posting. And the only way to do this, quite honestly, is to plan for it. You've got to plan it and schedule it out. Now, I use Blaze AI. Using Blaze AI effectively, like streamline your social media strategy with smart automation tools for busy entrepreneurs. This is literally what I use. This is what I do, right? Blaze AI simplifies the content creation process, allowing you to effortlessly schedule and manage posts, thus freeing you up valuable time for your main job. You can see I have posts already planned out for June. Today is the 22nd of May as I'm creating this video, and I've used Blaze AI to construct my post, whether we're talking about Facebook, LinkedIn, X, formerly known as Twitter, or whatever the social media platform. You can plan out these posts that makes it so effective, and it takes pressure off you. Imagine just taking one day to create, 10 short posts, whether we're talking image post, whether we're talking video, short video, just text post. You can plan these things out and get help with the creation of those plans with Blaze AI. Now, I have a link for Blaze AI in the description for this video if you literally want to check it out, right? So, and here's the pricing options that you have. So you can choose the best package for you for social media, for your social media planning needs. There's a link in the description. You can use that link, or if you go to the checkout page on Blaze, you can just type in Earl Hall Studio. You're going to get a free trial, right? So go ahead and do this. This has been being able to plan out my post, being able to schedule my post. Not only that, but get ideas for what I'm supposed to post or what I ought to be posting using this particular AI tool. It knows my voice. It knows how I speak. It knows what my brand is because of how it's all set up. And if you're struggling with posting consistently on message and with posts that will actually get results, there's probably a reason why. Now, one of the reasons is planning. You're not planning far enough ahead in advance for things that are coming. When you think about movies and TV shows and things like that, they're months in advance of promotion. Months in advance. I was talking to a good friend of mine this morning. We were talking about the movie Wicked, the second one that's coming out. They just posted yesterday. The movie's coming out in 5 months. 5 months. Now, if these types of places understand that they need to be posting way ahead of a release, why are we so resistant to doing the same thing? Sometimes we just want it all now, which isn't going to happen. But if we start planning these things out, and a tool like Blaze AI can really help you plan these things out, and you start being focused and understanding that every single thing that you post, if it's not producing a result, you need to change how it is that you're posting, and you might need help with that. Even if you need help with that, you can DM me and let me know, and we can have a conversation around that whole thing. But I really wanted you to really get focused in on understanding that you need to be scheduling your post. Easy way to do it with Blaze AI. You need to be creating your posts when you have the time to batch produce and go from there. I'll see you on the next video.